surf the internet, something like that. And sometimes they don't even look at the parents first. It's like, what are the family values in their heart? And like one more thing, the second point that I say is that internet is really destroying family value. Why? Because when the kid or the adults, people or the Cambodian youth nowadays they starting using internet with their mobile phone, their smartphone, they use it with the wrong way. They use it to chat with their friends, connecting or find their boyfriends or using to play game, watch without paying attention in their study. This is what they make to lose their family values by themselves. So it is like a very drastic thing that we try to find a solution to help all those people to get out from the suffering that they're using internet, every day, and they don't know that they are destroying their family. And for these points, I have some suggestions that when you use internet, you should use it with the correct ways. And parents, especially teachers at school, you should give them advice, or you should tell them how to use internet with the correct way. One more thing, like I was one Pum school and other school, they always ban the using internet in the class in order to keep students away from that and pay attention more on their study. So, in the conclusion, I think that internet is the best way to improve our life, but be careful that all those technology will never die, but your family do. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, right now time we just let over there. Yes, so right now it's time for question and answer.
Good morning, teacher Reksa. Nice to meet you. Now you talk about the family value. I would like you to be a little bit more specific about our Cambodian traditional family value, especially we can find out in the countryside and also even in the city. Can you try to give us a few more Cambodian traditional family values?
Okay, thanks for your remarkable question. So our Cambodian families value is like, especially they really focus on one is the respect of other family members in the family, especially parents. So for example, it's like they are having meals, so children and parents they always have meal together and chatting. Mostly, like they always have fun during meals. But when it comes to internet, those values or like something like the love in the family are losing. And one more thing, for the Cambodian values that family value that the children should actually respect their family or keep or prevent or defend their family dignity, that they should not using the internet to chat with other friends with the wrong way, or they decide to use internet to find a boyfriend and forget a study. So it's really difficult destroy their family dignity. Okay, thank you.
Okay, good morning, teacher.
Yeah.
Great. You have mentioned a lot of points regarding to the negative impact of internet with family value. Alright, so my question is that within our 21st century context, especially for teaching and learning, we do encourage the integration of technology, especially internet, in our teaching and learning. So as a teacher, can you just provide us some idea regarding to this one? Should we allow the student to use the internet inside the class or at home to succeed, let's say, so that they can practice more with technology?
Okay, thank you for the
Or
question.
should we ban technology with a student or what? Yes.
Okay, so actually, as I mentioned, was that they should use internet, but in the right way. And how can they know that in the right way or the wrong ways? They can know that, for advice from the parents or teacher. And should we allow students to use the technologies like to use internet in school? Yes, we should. But with a specific time, with a correct time. We have to limit the time for them. Like for example, in a way they should have 1 hour or 2 hours to surf the internet, and the teacher should observe what they do on the internet as well. So it's the better way to keep them from the bad thing on the internet, because you know that internet is not only the right or the good and the much more thing, but with many bad things as well. And at home, the parent as well should know clearly how to use the internet and should know what are the impacts of using internet, that they can prevent their children to use it in the wrong way. Thank you.
Okay, great. Thank